Mbeki omusaraba mubaliri wose Red Cross nigo kiamachorero mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira Amos Kimwomyaribo goba omo Patron bwe kiumbekyo asinonya nabo bamuganiriye ko bwatrana nabo eriyo kwene kiabunango ikirane bare obokoreri burubya na se county ya Nyamira nigo mono bamuganiriye kwene kiabunango basirale anena samangana yobolemo eriyo ko gare ya chiabisi cyabo muri kitwara se county ya Nyamira job manki na manki.
Asomo yega oikera nuna barai abanene kurwa sekyombe kya Red Cross imeyense icho Kenya orogongo rwa Nyanza na bisi cyabo ime county Nyamira nigo mugavana bwe county Nyamira Amos Nyaribo abekerwa egutwa koba omo Patron bwe kyombe kya Red Cross
as to show that you are now our patron. Someone else
and we are ready to enter MOU as soon as possible, so that we can start running immediately.
Omoyogo yuniko koleka service jo kolera emisangerekano y'omugavana asarwa irego chikobasira kobakonya konyora ensemo yo kwagacha abisi nabo igo kubabwatesia asemeroberi yabo
and accept the role you have given me as a patron of the Red Cross in Nyamira County. Slow to an extent that we have budgeted to finish it in the coming financial year. Once we have enough offices, we consider whether to house you there or to take you. There is a bidding we are doing at the firefighting.
Omoteneneli bwe kyombe kya Red Cross imense icho Kenya Geoffrey Coril nateba eganga yabo enene nogosira mwanya bantu anene mono ekero anyolire emibasokano.
We want that land because we want to build an emergency operation center within here, and even your staff will be stationed there. And the only thing is the moment we have land, we will fundraise through the national office to ensure that such a big office, where also I believe you will also have an office, so that tusije tukakusumbua kila siku. When you are doing Red Cross activities, that will be where you will be able to go. So that is one humble request, so that we can be able to have a spacious face.
Mbachi kubwaterana ne county Nyamira asemero beryogo kinia ekenengo kyobochano amangana rengete amache naboigo engana yogonshorelya kwelire.
Here, Nyamira had never had a project in the whole country, and I'm requesting you, once you have assumed now your role, if you can visit us at the national office, ukona kiboko sasa, because as Red Cross we are supposed to serve everybody across, and they always say you'll be shocked, some of your friends who are governors, they come every day.
Sababu bwatani au nabamenyi be county Nyamira waso asekyombekyo elindeko gendera gosira mwanya bantu
yako sasa, kwa sababu ukikuja tuko unakuja unasema Red Cross is supposed to serve everybody, nataka share yangu nipeleke Nyamira.
Kurwa se county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.